No. Yeah. Yeah. This is the last key that we needed. Okay. Please. What's good, nieces and nephews? Just welcome straight back in the video, back in with another vlog. Yeah, this is the last key that we needed. Mom, you see it? This is the last key that we needed. Right, so this is the part that we've been needing for my car. It's basically the knuckle bolt. It's the same bolt that is right here. What's in here should be this bolt, this long bolt. You see how it's bent? I needed a new one. I thought I couldn't find one, but luckily we did. So, right now I'm finna open it. That little nigga to the cross, he walking around like Tizo. Yo! It's literally the same bolt. It's literally the same bolt. Wow. It's the same bolt. Same bolt. Yeah, that's how, bro. We are official. You know what I'm saying? We are official. This is the same bolt. Yo, it's the same bolt. Yo, it is. Look, it's the same bolt. It's just it's not bent, but you see how hard this is? You know how much of an impact that was that I had to bend it? You know. Come on. We just hit, hey, this is live. We hit 281 subscribers. We are 19 away from 300. Tell us to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah,
you better subscribe. It's my birthday coming up. Hello.
Yeah. No. All right, come on. You tell me.
And my son gonna buy me the Jordan Retro 6s.
No, not them 6s. All right, so now we finna go ahead and grab the stuff out of this car. We've been ripping and running in this truck all day, and now we're finna go actually and return it back because I don't need it no more. I don't want to run up no more miles, no more money, nothing. So we finna do this right now. And so I gotta take some of this stuff back inside of the house. I gotta take this inside of the house. This is stuff that we got from the store. So we finna grab all of that. But yeah, I'm gonna make sure to give me what I fell again. All right, but it feels good. But this, I ain't gonna lie, this is a great truck. U-Haul aside, this is a great truck. I love the way it sits. I love how high it sits. I just love the presence that I get from it. So shout out to that. But this car should stop looking like this pretty soon. And I'm so excited. Let's get it going. Let's go. What's good, nieces and nephews? Just welcome straight back in the video, back in with another vlog. We are on our way to drop off the U-Haul because we are done using it. They already took all my money. They already took all my money. I don't want to talk about it. But we are on our way there right now. Finna get in this car and head over there right now. We finna head in there right now, and I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the U-Haul spot. Actually, we actually gotta put gas in it. We gotta put gas in it first. Then we will head to where we're supposed to be at. But I'm gonna see you guys when we get there. All right, y'all. So we finna see how much it's gonna cost for me to basically top off. No Diddy. Top off the gas. We're gonna see how much it costs. So, but luckily for me, I get to use my points. No, because I'm gonna need gas. This asks me to use my points. I ain't using my points for this shit. No, we don't do that. Can do that, but we gonna see how much it costs. I'm putting the, you know, of course, the cheapest gas. All right, my hope is like maybe $15. Like I'm hoping $15. Please be $15. Please. Please be $15. Why isn't it stopping? Shit, right. Yes! Oh my god, thank you. Only 11 bucks. Yes, thank you. I'm actually cool with that. $12? Thank you. Yes. Yes, I'm okay with $12. Thank you. You take this shot. Appreciate that. Now, hell yeah. You don't need nothing else? Okay. All right, bro. And just like that, we're done, bro. Just like that. Just like that, we're done. Wait for this AC to kick on. There we go. But yeah, guys, so now we finna go ahead and drop this truck off. It got a full tank of gas. Pretty much, yeah. All right, guys, so I'm finna go ahead and head out. I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the U-Haul. Full tank of gas, though. Don't play. It was $11. I used $11 worth of gas to go where I need to go today. I'm not mad. All right, y'all. So we just returned the truck right now. My mom's waiting on me right now. We just returned the truck. It was a long process. Like pretty much, I had to like take hella pictures. But I think it's time that we say goodbye to the nice Chevy. You know what I mean? Let's say goodbye to a legend. Let's say bye to a legend. But this is a great fucking truck. I would love to have something like this. This is cool. I'm gonna miss that truck. Nice truck, man. But yeah, that was actually fun to have for the day. I'm not even gonna lie. That was pretty fun. I'm low-key do it again. I ain't gonna lie. I'm low-key gonna do it again. But thanks, Mom. Oh.